In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a live account on IC Markets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to icmarkets.com. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be .com.au. So depending where you live, it's going to slightly change, or just do a Google search for IC Markets and just click on the top results. Make sure to spell it correctly. So if we scroll down here, just click on to icmarkets.com, but it doesn't matter where you are in the world, it's going to be the same thing. So I'm just going to do my .com.au. Now once you're here on the main screen of IC Markets, we need to hover our mouse over where it says quick start, and then below that we've got introduction and your account. Click onto the one that says live accounts. From here we need to enter in our personal details, then tell us more about ourselves, trading account configuration, answer a few questions, then they're going to review it, declaration, and then from there you can open account and start trading. So now they says here estimated time to complete is 2 minutes. So once you've done that and created your account, simply log into your account after doing so. You might need to verify your account as well by your mobile phone number and also email.